Hello everyone, this is DJ Kokoy Martin of MOR 11.1 and this time I will teach you how to speak in Indian accent. So, pag ang Indian kapamilya ay nagsabi ng gusto ko ng tubig, ganito po sila magsalita. Hello, can you give me a bottle of water? One bottle of water please. Pag magkain na ang mga Indian mga pamilya, this is really a nice place. I really wanted to eat this kind of fish. What kind of fish? Dried fish is this? That is bulad. That is penirito. I really love it. No, that's like this in India. This is a very super salted fish. I really definitely like it. Pag ang mga Indian ay naglalakad sa mga dalan ay sa mga ano dalan sa mga daan, there mag-ano na sila, marag ang sabi nila parang mga itik kasi kumpul-kumpul po sila, di ba? They are also holding hands like mga lalaki na mga Indians, no? And then I probably liking it. The weather is very beautiful, and then if I go in different places, the Filipinos are very hospitable. They are really friendly. They are talking to me, hi, how are you? And I am telling them that, how are you too? How are you too? And then, ano pa? Paano makipag-usap ang mga Indian in an interview? So, for example, what can you contribute in the company? Thank you very much for that very nice question. Of course, I am also applying for this job, and I will tell you that I can work under pressure. I can work under pressure, and you have a lot of work like that. I can be teachable. I can be trained. And then, what can I contribute in the company is, of course, my skills and talent. I know how to sing. I know how to dance. And I know how to do a lot of things excessively and multitaskingly. Ups, paano pag unsa kuya manguyab ang mga Indian, no? Unsa kay sila manguyab? Pinoy tapos Indian. I just wanted to tell you that I'm loving you. You're so very pretty. Filipinos are very pretty, just like you. If you're giving me a chance to be your boyfriend, if I become your boyfriend, I can tell you that I know how to cook. I will cook chapati for you. I can cook the chicken biryani. You already taste our samosa. That's very delicious. Bloody delicious. Okay,